this website link here, this really shows you all of our course lists that we are able to use. And why I like this one list, before I get a little deeper into the courses, this gives you a nice bird's eye view. So here I can say, okay, I'm looking for my 6th through 8th grade student. So you can look at the full course list and see truly everything that we offer by subject area, by content area. And you can even see if it is a strong mind course or if it's one of our third-party providers with Accelerate. So really get a good foundation of what options you have. Now, to go even deeper into those course lists, I can go into that same 6 through 8 catalog and see the full course catalog. So if I want to see, thinking back at our a la carte options, if I want to see if my school district will take this one course, you can provide them the details, if there's a prerequisite, even an intro video, so they can see if they align with the course offerings for credit bearing opportunities or questions. But this course catalog goes one step deeper. So not only can you see the courses that we offer that are listed like I have here, but you could actually see the details of what's involved in each course.